Ever savored the creamy, tangy, and utterly satisfying taste of homemade guacamole paired with crispy chips? Ever wished to master the art of creating this culinary delight? Well, the journey to the perfect guacamole starts now. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 3 ripe avocados, 1 small onion, 2 Roma tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of fresh cilantro, 1 juicy lime, half a teaspoon of sea salt, and a dash of freshly ground black pepper. And let's not forget the star of the show, your favorite chips for dipping. To kick things off, slice your avocados in half and remove the pits. Scoop out the avocado flesh into a bowl and mash it until it reaches your desired consistency. Some prefer it chunky, some smooth. It's all a matter of personal preference. Now, finely chop your onion, tomatoes, and cilantro. Add these to the bowl with the mashed avocado. The combination of these ingredients not only adds a burst of color, but also a medley of flavors that will make your guacamole stand out. Next, squeeze in the juice of your lime and sprinkle in your sea salt and black pepper. Mix everything together and voila! You have a bowl of homemade guacamole ready for dipping. But wait, don't dive in just yet. The magic truly happens when you let your guacamole sit for about 10 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld together, creating a taste sensation that's worth the wait. Now open that bag of chips and start dipping. Each bite delivers a harmonious blend of creamy avocado, tangy lime, and the crunch of fresh veggies, all rounded off with the satisfying crunch of your favorite chips. To summarize, homemade guacamole and chips is not only a delicious and satisfying snack, but also a powerhouse of nutrients. Avocados are packed with healthy fats and fiber, while tomatoes and onions provide a good dose of vitamins and antioxidants. And let's not forget the humble chip, which when chosen wisely can contribute to your daily intake of whole grains. So, the next time you crave a snack, remember this easy, healthy, and utterly delicious guacamole recipe. After all, who can resist the allure of a creamy, crunchy, and flavor-packed bite? Not only will you satisfy your taste buds, but you'll also be doing your health a huge favor. Enjoy the journey to the perfect guacamole. And remember, the best guacamole is always the one you make yourself.